Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when dealing with images that have transparent backgrounds. The issue at hand is the need to ensure that transparent pixels are converted to white, while non-transparent pixels are turned black. A typical solution might be using a command like the one provided, but it only converts the transparent pixels to white, leaving the non-transparent ones untouched. So, how can we tackle this problem effectively? Let's talk about the solution we have in hand. By using the command FFmpeg iContentFrame0471.png filter _complex alphaextract negate content output.png, we can achieve the desired outcome. The alphaextract function extracts the alpha channel from the input image and outputs it as a grayscale image. Then, the negate function comes in and cleverly inverts the grayscale image, effectively transforming the transparent pixels to white and the non-transparent ones to black. It's a neat and efficient way to handle the task at hand. In a nutshell, we've learned that by using the alphaextract and negate functions in the right combination, we can seamlessly convert transparent pixels to white and non-transparent pixels to black without breaking a sweat. With this handy trick up your sleeve, you'll be able to effortlessly manipulate images with transparent backgrounds to suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy editing!